following training is sponsored by the Niagara Library System. We serve our member libraries in Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties. Please visit your local library homepage and use your library card to get access to streaming videos, downloadable music, audiobooks, ebooks, and even more from the comfort of your own home. Thank you. Hello. Good to see everybody. I have another cool, interesting thing. Good grief. This is pretty amazing. And again, this is from Maddie McTech. Now, don't do what I did. Don't jump ahead. Hang on a second, okay? We got to do this exactly as he says it here. You got to look at what he does because I jumped ahead and then didn't get any results, and then it was no good. What you can do here is you can actually search for any Google Sheets that have been created about almost anything, and you have to put in the search in a very specific way in Google. I'm going to zoom in on this. You can see it says site with a colon and then there's a space, docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Then you're going to put in, after you put all that in to Google, you're going to actually put in what you want to search for. Now this becomes important. What you want to search for, you want to make sure you put in actual quotes, okay? Just to show you, to go through this particular video, he goes ahead, points at what he's got there, searches for remote jobs. You can see then that it is in quotes, and it will come up with anybody who's made a spreadsheet regarding remote jobs. All right, cool. I want to see how this works. So let me back up and get the exact search terms first. All right, so here we are, back again with the first phrase you put into Google. And then we're going to put in a search term for higher education. And I've gone ahead now, you can see it, I put in the specific thing I want to search for. And apparently a lot of people have seen this because now they're looking for remote jobs, so that's okay. Again, now in quotes, I'm going to put higher education. Let's search for that. I'm going to click on the first one to see what this is. Looking at this, this is higher education and student affairs jobs, posting sites and placement conferences. And there's a whole list of sites or conferences, websites, Twitter accounts. Was it a physical event? The month of the event, the location. So you can actually find all kinds of different things that have been put into Google Docs. Google Spreadsheets. Last thing I want to point out about this is, of course, you're using Google and you're searching for a whole bunch of terms, and Google is going to go ahead and search for things that are close to what you've put in as well. And I was curious about this for resources. It was Veterans Support Office. It's the Texas A&M University. So I'll go ahead and click on the link. And you can see this is not an actual spreadsheet. However, it does give you other information for veteran services down at Texas A&M. So I just thought this was quite interesting. And again, all the links will be in the description. Give some love to Maddie McTech. He does a lot of really good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.